Hello friends, welcome to my channel Expert Advice. In today's uh, session, I'm going to show you how to build this exact AI chatbot, okay, for your business website, completely free. Here I'm going to use the Ollama, Bun, JavaScript and HTML. There is no API keys required, no monthly fees. You have the full control, and main thing is that you can make it free of cost by yourself. I'm going to provide you the code. You can simply run it or just simple on one click and your bot would be ready. Okay, so let's get a start. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you this chatbot I made. Okay, so let's start. Click here in the bottom right side corner. Here it's going to show my chatbot, my infotech company name, and here how we can assist you today. So first of all, let's type hi here. Okay, so here it's saying that thanks. Could you share the best email for follow-up? Okay, so I'm going to just write just simple my name, okay, at gmail.com. Okay, enter. Okay, so it's saying thank you, we have noted your email, and how can you help you today? AI, cloud staffing or custom software? So here the company is working on the AI, cloud staffing and the custom software. Here you could change it as well, right? So I'll show you where you can change it in the code, or and I can also help you to prepare the chatbot as per your company, but it's very easy, simple. Okay, so let's ask the another questions. Okay, I need a chatbot for my company. Okay, let's see how it's going to respond. So it's send the query to the LLM, and LLM is running locally in my system. Okay, and there is no OpenAI is used. There is no any paid APIs here. Everything is free of cost. I'm running on my laptop. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, so performance is slow because I'm running in my system, my local system, and definitely a lot of processes running on my laptop, so it's quite slow, but it's behave like a person. So person is maybe typing in the background. Okay, so when you type you need a chatbot for your company, this is going to respond you within a minute. Sometimes it's very quick as well, and it's also based on your LLM model. Okay, so I'm going to explain you that how you can run the different models for this. You can use Llama, Mistral and Gemma. Okay, so here it's writing the response. We are delighted to hear that you are interested in a chatbot solution for your company. At MindForTech, we specialize in creating intelligent and customized chatbots tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. To better understand your requirements, could you please share more details about the specific functionalities you would like your chatbot to have? Additionally, it would be helpful to know your preferred timeline for this project and any technology preferences you may have. Happy to help. Okay, so you can say it's responding in a good way. Okay, so let's just without wasting time, let's just start how we can do it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to build on free local AI chatbot. Okay, what I'm going to use here, I'm going to use it the Ollama, Bun, JavaScript and HTML. Why I'm using the Bun? So it's one is very simple. It's having on integrated JavaScript, HTML and the Node.js. Okay, so you no need to bother about anything. Everything is going to be handled by the bun. Anyone can use it just with one command. This bun would be ready. Even I'm going to provide you a simple click deployment script. You have to do nothing at all. This is going to configure the Ollama for you, bun for you, JavaScript and HTML. Everything is ready to install. Okay. Now, for this chatbot, there is no API keys required. There is no monthly cost, and it's a business ready chatbot. Okay. Perfect. So what next? So what you will learn today? You will going to learn AI locally using Llama, Ollama. You're going to use either Mistral, Gemma, or the Llama 3. Okay, so here I am providing you these three options, and I'm going to explain you that which model you have to use. I am right now using the Mistral. That is from the Mistral AI. You can use the Gemma from the Google. You can use the Llama from the Meta, and I could recommend you, and what you need to choose I will recommend you. Okay, so that will take care later. Next thing is that build a floating website chatbot. Okay, then capture business leads, and then control the AI behavior. It's all easy. Okay, then why you need a local AI chatbot? You need a local AI chatbot because you don't want open AI. Okay, you don't need to pay it. You have no need to pay for the cloud API cost. Okay, so there is no open AI, no cloud API cost, and your data stays private. That is the most important thing. Okay, and you have a full control over prompts. You can control your entire prompts based on your company profile. You can update as per time to time whenever you feel. Okay, and it's ideal for the business website too. Okay, then what the tech stack overview, what the tech stacks required here. So that I already discussed is you need a Ollama, that is a local AI engine. You need a bun, the first JavaScript runtime, and it's a server too. It's HTML, CSS for the chat UI, and I'm going to provide a JavaScript that is a chat logic. So simply, you just need to use the provided widget in your website, just a plugin kind of, just write a two line of code in your existing website, and this chat would be integrated, will be plugged with your website. It's quite easy, very simple. Okay, so what is the architecture here? So in the front end, the website, you have where is the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Behind it's going to call the bun server, that is the API proxy. You can write the guardrails there, and it's going to call the Ollama, that is the role local AI runtime. You can move it to the server, your server. Okay, and then this Ollama is behind the scene. It's using the LLM. Which LLM? You have to choose. Either you choose the Llama 3, Mistral, Gamma 3. Okay, so it's you have to choose. I recommend you should choose the Llama if you need the quality. Okay, but I think first of all you should go with the Mistral because it's very quick, easy. Okay, so right now I'm supporting with these three models, Llama 3, Mistrals and Gamma. You can use any other model that is available with the Ollama. Okay, so you can choose, but I could recommend you can choose any of three. But first of all, I could say that give the priority to the Mistral, then the Gamma, and then the Llama. Okay, because Llama, and why so? So let's just analyze it. So as for the feature wise, Llama 3 provided the meta. Okay, it's a general purpose and the large scale apps. Okay, its core strength is it's a balanced reasoning and the instruction following. Philosophy wise, it's reliable, factual, neutral tone, and context wise, it has up to 128K Llama 3.1 plus. So it's having the user data. It's trained well. Okay, so it's going to handle any kind of query. Okay, and then the business use wise, it's a best overall choice. So Llama 3 is the best. You can see here, but I don't think that every time it's best because it's depend on your organization. Okay, if your enterprise, your organization is very, very big, you have a lot of things to handle, okay, then Llama I could recommend. Okay, but if you are not that much huge, you have the limited set of services, I could recommend that you go with the Mistral. Why? Because Mistral having the speed, having the efficiency, and it's good for the coding too. Okay, it's high performance on the tight memory basis budgets. Okay, why? Because Mistral you can run even in your mobile. Okay, in your laptop, in your local system very easily. It's minimalistic, right? You can see it's modular. Okay, and it's also 32K to 128K. It depends on your version, so it's a lightweight as well, right? But yeah, definitely you need some strict guardrails so that you could control your chatbot. Okay, although it's working very good, but if user is going to just simply for use this for a fun, you could need to just add some guardrail prompts, right? Or maybe some simple logic. It's not difficult things. Okay, it's simple. Okay, then Gamma, you can say it's a friendly verbose. Okay, it's provided with the Google DeepMind, so it's good for the reasoning, question and answer wise. It's good. It's a multimodal. Okay, it's also having the large context. Okay, uh, it's structured, highly aligned, and it's also a standard size is 128K trend context. Okay, so if you want to try, I could recommend first go with the Mistral. If Mistral is not working so good with your organization, if you have a lot of services, so might be there kind of some hallucination sometimes based on your lot of data, then do start with the Gamma 3. So Gamma would work much better than the Mistral then, because it's good for the reasoning too. It's working good. It's friendly verbose. Okay. And if you don't want to use, if you don't want to take any kind of risk, or maybe risk, not risk, I mean, not want to try it, or just want to, one go, you are good with your server, powerful server, better you go with the Llama 3. Okay, because it's having a great trend models. Okay, so you can use Llama 3.1 plus any model. Okay, and you can select the 8 billion bytes train model or maybe more. Okay, and then you have the best LLM available with your chatbot. Okay, so it's all, it depends on you, but I think first of all you should go with the Mistral. Okay, it's my recommendation. It's still on your choice. Okay, so now how the architecture is going to work. So browser is going to call Bun server, Bun is going to call the Ollama is going to handle the AI models. Okay, it's very clean, secure, and scalable. Okay, what next? So I'm going to show you a demo. So I've shown you, right, how it was working. So you have seen that how this is the floating chatbot in the bottom. Okay, and this is working in my local. This would transfer to your website. Okay, this will be your website later. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, I'm going to give you a demo on this, that how it's going to work. Okay, this business model behavior is going to be very short, professional replies. It's only business only responses, and you have to lead your you have to capture the leads, right, by name and the email, and then politely you can redirect that where to contact, where to email at, and where to, which one to call, right? You can just manage on this your chatbot. Okay, so let's go with the live demo, how you can do by yourself in your system and your server. Okay, so so first of all I'm going to show you this. Okay, so this is uh, uh, I have downloaded from my Git. If you want, I can share this to you. Okay, just extract it, use this more option. I'm going to extract it here. Okay, so my business chatbot is I downloaded it from my git. Okay, I'll share you, just you need to comment in my video and I'll share you this git. Okay, uh okay, the next thing is that I'm providing you this deploy chatbot PowerShell scripts. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so first of all, open the PowerPoint. Sorry, my bad. Open the PowerShell in the administrator mode. Okay, and change to your directory, that is cd c temp demo, not demo, it's demo chat, and then change to the business chat bot main. Okay, here you can see I have these things. Okay, what I need to do is deploy the chatbot. Okay, so this script I have written for your is, it's what it's going to do, it's going to configure the Ollama in your local. Okay, and it's going to install the Mistral's model with the Ollama, then it's going to configure the bun, and it's simply going to run the this script here. You can see the server.ts, this is the type script. Okay, and this is going to run the application. Okay, so okay, run it. So you can see Ollama is already installed here. It's tried to install it, so it's already installed, so it didn't install it. It's running, Ollama is running too. It's checking for the Mistral model, it's available. Okay, bun already installed. Okay, I already did it, so it's installed. And starting then chatbot server, where it's started, it's local host 3000. Okay, so whatever the script I'm giving you, okay, so again run this 3000. Okay, so when I run it, you can see this is changed because this this is a test application. It's a test chatbot, and when you download this code, you will get this. Okay, so here one simple thing, this model like Mistral business clear. Okay, so this I have added for just for the test purpose, to show you that which model you can select, or means just for the test purpose. Okay, you can remove it very simply, comment the code and just simply ready. Okay, so now by default it's going to use the Mistral. I am going to write it here like, hi, I am I'm John. Okay, enter. So you can see it's showing the thinking. Okay, so the command sent to the Ollama is interacting with the Mistral LLM, and LLM is going to prepare the response. It's in the me. Okay, so here the response. Hello John, as a business website assistant, I'm here to help with various aspects of your online presence. How can I assist you today in terms of business related tasks or queries? If you find our services beneficial, I would be happy to gather more information about your name, email address to keep you updated on any relevant developments. Okay, it's very simple, very responsive. Okay, I'm going to say I need a custom software for my restaurant. Okay, let's see how it's going to respond. It's thinking. Okay, So in the meanwhile, I'm going to show you the code. Okay. So what is written in this server side code? Okay. So you can see this is the Ollama URL. Okay. So my Ollama is running on this. So when you deploy on the server, you need to check these things, that how it's configured there. But I think you don't need to do, because everything will be on yours one server. In that case, you are good to go with it. So you don't need to do anything, okay, until there is this port is occupied by any other service. Okay. So here you can see the uh, code is very simple. Okay. And this is using, by default it's using the Mistral, so if no model is given. Okay. And it's calling this API chat for this Ollama. Okay. So I can show you that how Ollama is working here. I'm going to open the Ollama. Okay. And here I'm going to select the Mistrals. Okay, so this is, if you, once the Ollama is installed in the local, you can see this window. Okay. And you can see how it looks like. Okay. If here, if I enter hi, you can see how it's responding. But this is not responding like your chatbot. Why? Because I have changed the persona. I have changed the role of the chatbot. Okay. And where that is written? That is written here in my HTML file. Okay. So I'm going to open this index.html. Okay. Here, this is the AI agent. You can see the code here. And when it's sending this query, it's writing a prompt like this. Okay. What is the prompt? It's writing a prompt that you are a business website assistant. Okay. Now, if you have to change this role, okay, if your organization is doing something else, you need to change your assistant role. Suppose if you are a real estate, okay, so you can change it. You are a real estate agent, okay, or broker, whatever you feel, and write the assistants here. Then you have to reply in 3 to 5 short sentences, only answer business related questions. If the topic is unrelated, politely redirect to the business services. Okay. If the user shows interest, ask for their name and email. Okay. Do not use bullet points. Okay. So this is a very simple prompt I have written here. Okay. I'm going to save it here. Okay. Now just go and check that how this is going to change the behavior of my code. Okay. Okay, so last time when I have written that I need a custom software for my restaurant, it was okay, I can help you to find a reliable developer to create a custom software solutions for your restaurants. Let's discuss project requirements and potential solutions that best suit your needs. To keep you informed about the progress, could you please provide me with your name and the email address? Okay, so this was the last response. Okay, now this is going to change all the way because I have I changed the prompt. Okay, so reload it, click here, and now I'm going to ask it that hi. So if user is going to type simple hi, let's see how it's going to respond. I'm expecting something with this real estate agent. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm here to help you with your real estate inquiries. You can see how quickly it's changed. The role is changed. It's asking that Help with your real estate agent inquiries. Could you please tell me more about the property or the service you are in? You know how smart this LLM is. He understood that what is your company is going to do. Okay, it's very quick change. Very simple change on the prompt. It's changed the everything. Okay. Now, uh, I need a, a house. Maybe I can 4 BHK house in Florida. Okay, let's see how it's going to respond. Okay, it's thinking, and let's see how it's going to respond. So I don't think, because there is no any data. Okay, but I think it should redirect at some good place. Okay, so I have several listing for 4 BHK houses available in Florida. Let's find one that meets your needs. Could you please provide me with your name and email so we can discuss further? Okay, this is the best answer I expected. Okay, so it knows that what he needs to take from the user. Okay, so he answers very nicely that he has the several listings and he is asking for the name and email, because this LLM having the no direct connection with your website to take the list of available rented houses. Okay, so here it's very good things. I believe it's good answer. Okay, so this way you can further test your model. Okay, I think we are on a good page here. Okay, and so the demo is done, and I can you can see that who is this for? Chatbot. So nowadays everyone needs this, from the small to large business, all are actually interested in these kind of things. uh, if you are a consultant or freelancers, you need a chatbot. If you're a company, it's a startup company, you need this. If you are a developer or learners, it's good to learn these things. Okay, so here is my special offer for you, that for your custom business chatbot setup, I will do the custom business chatbot. Okay, here what is the benefit from that? It's not going to be simple. I am going to configure a professional chatbot that is going to handle all the guardrails. I will set up the RAG that would be based on your website, your specific frequently asked questions. Okay, and would be trained much. You can check and test you, right? So I'll do it. Okay, so normally I take I $199, but for my 1,000 subscribers, I am going to give this chatbot in $28. What I'll do, I'll freely set up on your server. I'll come configure your entire chatbot, do integrate that, or you can integrate that. I'll simply provide you simple script. You need to place in your website and you are good to go. Okay, I think you will be find it well. Okay, so what your next step is, subscribe this channel, comment the chatbot, and get your custom AI chatbot. I'll share you this git link. Okay, whoever is going to comment chatbot, you can just download it. Okay, and you can run it in your local. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.